Everybody, welcome back. We are going to do our Christmas decor for 2020. Here's my front door, the snowman, and then I have my little stand right here. I have a little wreath that I made on there one year, and then we have the light post right there in the corner, and then as you come in, you got Ariel's room. She put a big, huge thing on her door, snowman. And then there's my, oh, excuse me, my entry table, my new farmhouse looking joy sign, my little snow globe, and my joy little thing in there. And then on the banister we have the light up. And then in the dining room we have, the table does not stay that way. So all those dish things are just there for looks. And my husband's coats are as a coat rack because he hasn't finished my coat closet yet, so he hangs his coats on the chair. And then we've got a little festive up on the mirror. Only thing I did on the hutch is that my little snowman that says ho 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 up there. And I put a little festive something in the corner thing. And then over in this corner, we've got my baker's rack with my snowman. Like the dining room is snowman themed. And I have snowman and candy canes in here. And then my front window, curtains are in the way, but my big snowflakes hang. My little snowman. He lights up. The lights are on, but you probably can't tell. And then let me back up so you can see my snowman tree. And then going into the kitchen, I have my ladder right here. Excuse the vacuum, because I have to vacuum. I haven't vacuumed yet. And then in the kitchen, we have a little bit of a mess on my cupboards. I have that this year because I wanted to do more farmhousey looking. And my lights on my window. And I got this is Santa in here. Everything is usually Santa Claus. And there's my other two cupboards that I decorated. And then we have the hot cocoa area with the cups and stuff. The advent calendar. My Santa Clauses that I have. And then stuff I've made. I made some zucchini, banana bread. I got another spice thing I gotta make. And her gingerbread house. And then on this wall is my Santa wreath, because Chris does Santa Claus is in the kitchen. And so that's in there. And then if we go into the living room, I have the red thing for the dogs. It's all they put hair everywhere. So I got my little farmhouse trucks on there. And my little mirrors. I put the nativity scene on my coffee table and put it over in the corner so it wouldn't get broke. And then I have a snowman placemat over there on that end table. And then my mantle I just finished this morning. So I got my deer up there, and they've got little country bows on there underneath them. And the stockings are hung. And I just decorated it kind of cute this year. A little bit, all the stockings. My elf, his name is Buddy. And then we've got my light up Santa Claus. He moves, if you can see that. And the cat tree is right there. She hasn't been happy because my tree is in right front of the window there. And we've already got some presents underneath there. But I had to kind of stick them all in the middle of there so the cat can still get behind and look in the window. And then over here I have a little coffee mat, the Santa Claus on there, and then my little pillow I made last year on this couch. And then over here, walking back out, is another ladder. And then this banister, this little corner shelf. And then I have my big lantern with the bulbs in it, Christmas bulbs. So that is about it. I do have on that door I have a wreath, and on my bathroom door I have a wreath that I had made right here. So that is it for this year. And so it looks kind of cute, kind of festive and homey. So, and my little house village. I haven't got that plugged in because I cannot get behind there to the outlet. So there's my little village. So I hope you liked it. I'll do a part 2 for outside when I get that done. So thanks for watching, and we will see you again soon. Hey everybody, welcome back. We are doing our outside look-see for the holidays, for Christmas. And here's my little things I put on for the garage, next to the garage. Sometimes they stay there, sometimes they don't. It depends on the weather. I put my candy canes out. I put my Santa crossing sign out. Ariel's little penguin sled she put up there. A little sign, country sign that says Merry Christmas. Then I got my trees, and the lights are on, but you can't tell. Well, you can tell on top of the door, but because it's so sunny out, you can't really tell. And there's nothing, oh, I have my joy sign that the church gave everybody this winter. So the rest of the yard looks gross. It's all brown, we have no snow. There's my little snowman. I got 2 more to put on the other side, but I gotta fix them, the hat fell off. So there's my short little outside, what it looks like out here. That's about it for this year. So, and you can't see the lights real good, but maybe when the sun starts to go down, I'll come out and take a picture and put it at the end. Alrighty, thanks for watching. We'll see you again later.